The Fisherman and the Magic Fish. In a quaint little village nestled by the shimmering waters of a vast lake, there lived a humble fisherman named Raj. Every day at the crack of dawn, Raj would set out on his small wooden boat, casting his net into the glistening waters, hoping for a bountiful catch. One fine morning, as Raj cast his net into the depths, he felt a peculiar tug. With bated breath, he pulled the net ashore, expecting to find a usual catch of fish. But to his astonishment, he discovered a dazzling golden fish shimmering amidst the silvery shoal. Startled by the sight of the magical fish, Raj could hardly believe his eyes. "What wondrous creature have I stumbled upon?" he exclaimed, his heart pounding with excitement. The golden fish spoke in a melodious voice, "Dear fisherman, I am no ordinary fish. I possess magical powers beyond your wildest dreams. If you spare my life and set me free, I shall grant you 3 wishes as a token of my gratitude." Raj listened in awe, his mind swirling with possibilities. Overwhelmed by the offer, Raj pondered deeply. "What shall I wish for?" he wondered aloud, his thoughts racing like the currents of the river. "Should I seek riches beyond measure, or perhaps wisdom to rival the sages?" After much deliberation, Raj decided on his first wish. "I wish for a grand palace filled with treasures beyond imagination," he declared, his voice tinged with longing. In an instant, the magical fish granted Raj's wish. Before his eyes, a magnificent palace materialized, its towering spires reaching towards the heavens. The air was filled with the tinkling sound of golden coins and the sparkle of precious gems. Flushed with excitement, Raj marveled at the wonders of his newfound wealth. "Surely, I am the luckiest man alive," he exclaimed, his heart brimming with gratitude towards the magical fish. However, as days turned into weeks, Raj's greed knew no bounds. He squandered his riches on frivolous pursuits, heedless of the consequences. His once generous heart grew cold and selfish, blinded by the allure of wealth. One fateful day, as Raj lounged in his opulent chambers, a fierce storm descended upon the village. The winds howled and the waves crashed against the shore, threatening to engulf everything in their path. Terrified, Raj realized the folly of his ways. "Oh, magical fish, I beg of you, save me from this calamity," he cried out, his voice trembling with fear and desperation. In that moment, the magical fish appeared before Raj, its golden scales gleaming in the darkness. "Raj, you have strayed from the path of kindness and generosity," it said solemnly. "But there is still hope for redemption. Repent for your greed, and I shall grant you one final wish." With a heavy heart, Raj whispered his final wish into the wind. "I wish for forgiveness," he said, his voice barely above a whisper. Instantly, the storm subsided and the skies cleared, leaving behind a sense of tranquility and renewal. From that day forth, Raj lived a life of humility and kindness, sharing his wealth with those in need and cherishing the simple joys of life. And though he never forgot the lessons learned from his encounter with the magical fish, he remained ever grateful for the second chance he had been given. And so, children, the story of Raj and the magical fish teaches us that true wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the richness of the heart. Let us remember to always be grateful for what we have, and to cherish the bonds of kindness and compassion that unite us all.